Hey guys, it's me Maya again. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new and I have hair in my nose and today I'm going to be reviewing Beauty Big Bang, and this is a website that sells anything beauty related, from makeup to hair care to nail polishes and nail stuff, and anything along the lines of beauty. So they have sent me a few things to show you guys and to try it out on my channel. So they did send me these items, but of course I will, as always, I will be saying my full honest opinions, and they'll be completely my opinions. And with the products they sent me, I am going to be doing a sunset eyeshadow look, and this look has been inspired by a YouTuber. Her name is Marina. I'll have her video linked down below, and I'll have like her video here. She is so good at makeup and she's so beautiful, so I'm gonna like look like the off-brand version of her, but I'm gonna try it out. And by the way, before you guys like yell at me, I know I'm not like a professional, but I'm just trying to have fun with makeup. You know, I'm probably doing some of these things wrong, but yeah, it's just kind of for fun and just to try things out. So yeah. So one quick thing about Beauty Big Bang, the prices are super cheap, and what the quality you get for it is really good. Like the product is really good and the prices are super low. But the thing I've noticed is that shipping took a really long time for me, so that's something to definitely be aware of. This looks like super weird from my angle, but I'm wearing this thing that's like if a romper and overalls had a baby, that's what this would be. So before I forget, Beauty Big Bang gave me a promo code that you guys can use. It's Marble10, I'll have it here, and you can use that to get 10% off. I kind of feel like James Charles, like use code Maya10 for 10% off. Yeah. So yeah, let's just get started. Before we start, please subscribe if you are interested, and like this video for more makeup tutorials on my channel, and comment down below if you like online shopping for makeup. For me, it's kind of like nerve-wracking because I want to like see it in person before I buy it and like try it out and test out the colors, but it's a lot easier, like especially for like Sephora, because Sephora takes like the actual life out of me to like shop there, but like looking online it's like so much easier. But I don't know, what are your opinions? Make sure you comment them down below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the things they sent me, I've tried them once before, so it wasn't exactly how it looked at the very beginning. So the first thing here is some false lashes, and they look really nice, and here they are, and they're super natural looking, and I'll take them out here, and they feel super natural as well, and they were super easy to apply. It has a really nice thin band, and they are really full lashes, and as you can see, they have a really nice curl to them, and they're really flexible and super wispy. So that was the first thing. So the next thing they sent was this colorful eyeshadow palette, and it has 40 colors. I definitely say this is a dupe for the Morphe 35B palette, the colorful one. I think it's 35B. I might be saying that wrong, but it is definitely smaller, but the price is definitely a lot smaller too. This palette was $9, and I can't remember if I said this, but the eyelashes were $5. So everything is very affordable, and look at all these beautiful colors, and let's just like try one out here. And the colors are super pigmented. Yeah, so those are the things they sent me. I'm so thankful for all of the great things. So let's do our little makeup tutorial with them. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I am going to be taking these eyelashes and I'm going to go put them on. I'm not going to film it because I do have like a hard time filming and applying them at the same time. And I know like you're not supposed to put eyelashes first, you're supposed to do eyeshadow first, but I always get eyelash glue all over my eyelid, so I have to like take it off. So I'm going to be doing this first and then do the eyeshadow. So I'll be right back. Let's see if I can do it. Cool, okay, ready? I'm gonna get my positioning right. That was probably definitely not cool, but you know, we tried our best. Yeah, so the lashes are on. They feel super comfortable. They're not like too heavy or anything. They're definitely super dramatic, but I'm really liking it. It's like very bold. So yeah, I think I'm gonna change lightings because it's starting to get dark, so this lighting is not so good. So yeah, I'll see you in the next scene. So sorry about like the super weird lighting, but let's begin. Woo, that was loud. So starting off, I'm going to start off with this yellow color here and put that into my crease. As you can see, I took that yellow and blended it up and out, so it's like very like all over my eye almost. So I took it from the crease and blended it out. So now I'm going to be taking a mixture of this like orangey color and this red color and putting it just directly into my crease. No need to tell you. Your eyes I always remember. I wrote you on and on. You never gave me. Then I'm going to be taking a mixture of this red and this purple up here and putting it at the very bottom of my eye, like you're almost lining your eye. An answer. Am I the only one? I didn't know it was over. Take care of you. Then I am going to be taking this dark blue at the bottom here and putting that under my eye. Lastly, I am going to be taking this like gold color and the mixture of a gold and yellow and putting that at the inner tear duct and under the corner of my eye. So this is the finished eyeshadow look. Now I'll show you guys what it looks like up close. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much to Beauty Book Bang for sending me the makeup I used today. And make sure you guys go check their website. I will have everything linked down below, and if you are going to buy something, be sure to use my promo code for 10% off. Wow, my hair is actually such a mess. I have all the information linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't earlier, please do subscribe and like this video if you are interested, and comment down below your opinions on online makeup shopping. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!